Start with 4 woven strands. Start with a pair of 2, twist the under on top of the other. Go around, twist the under one on top of the over one. Then you make new pairs on the angles. The one on the bottom goes over its pair. The one on the bottom goes over its pair. Bottom, over, bottom, over. And you should be able to make one more time couples. The bottom one goes over its neighbor. Same over here. You can stretch them if you need to. Now you can pinch these together, fold them to the center, and then flip the entire bread over, and there's your round holiday challah.